been a long time since I did any kind of update video or anything on my truck and system. I did a total rebuild over the winter, well, half of last year and over the winter. It's not done yet, but it's planned. It's probably 70% done, somewhere around there. But I took out the flat wall and put in, built a fourth order for 615s. Right now I only have 4 of the 6, as you can see. They're Sundown NSV4s with the ZV5 spider packs, a little less stiff packed than the stock ones that come with the NSV4s. Better for the fourth order. Temporary port to accommodate the, you know, the 2 less subwoofers. But I did a complete wood roof, couple layers of birch, PLX, fiberglass all the way around. It's kind of hard to see. I'm debating on whether if I want to do a interior color on the roof, leave the wall black. I don't know yet. But all out to the B pillar. Everything's totally sealed off, 100%. Down the B pillars, all the way down. Took a little bit of work, but it come out really good. I'm happy with it. Under here, front, still running the 2 alternators, 2 Singer 320s. Stock ones in the, that's a stock location down there. I know it's hard to see, but this is a bracket that me and my buddy John Dunlap made. Custom bracket. You got the little blue box down in there behind the headlight. I don't know if I'm getting all this with this glare from the sun. Take you back to the back. And like I said, I don't have it fully done yet. Right now I only have 2 amps, Twisted Sounds, 3.5Ks, 1 amp or 2 subs. There's my charger for the bats. Plug it in. Component amps, which I need bigger ones, but for right now it's good enough. Fans. Eventually, when I get 2 more subs, I'm going to get another amp, and then eventually get more power, which it obviously needs, but for right now it's going to be good. What amps I'm going to get, I don't know yet, but I'll cross that bridge when I get more money, probably next year. So as far as the mids and highs, all I have right now is just 2 8s per door. I cut out an 8 into stock location. These are temporary pods that I've had for years now. One of these eons I'll get doors made, but just never seem to get around to it. Doesn't sound too bad. External throttle control. Up my RPMs. Play a little song here for you. I won't go full tilt, I'll just...
Like on 28, so remind me of February. Yeah, you can follow me. That will be never
But you can see this. It's pretty nice. I can set my RPMs exactly at 2K. We'll do volume 20.
DJ slow and throw. Already got one rolled up in my left hand. Pussy on my mind, tighter than the headband. Push in my lungs, got ganja in my sweat glands. This shit I'm on better than the next strand. Oh what a night, the roof is on fire. So what, I'm high. I said, oh what a night, oh what a night. Yeah, she a bad bitch, all jokes aside. Chop that ass down, chop that ass down, chop that ass down. All I want you to do is just drop that ass down, drop that ass down. I look back at it. Whistling Dixie, middle school, I was getting head on the 10-speed. Gigolo bloodline, pimping the hereditary. Black on 28, so remind me of February. Chain hang to my ding-a-ling. Chain hang to my ding-a-ling. To do a threesome, you gotta intervene. Her legs so sexy when I'm in between.
That was about 70% power. About volume 28 out of 33. So far I like it a real lot. Like I said, I'm still deciding. I think I might do a tan roof just so it brightens it up in here a little bit or something, kind of to match the interior. But yeah, I hope you like it, and I cannot wait till I get it on full power, because right now I think we did, it was a 156 something sealed and a 158 something outlaw on about 7K on a burp. So I can't wait to get 2 more subs and actually give the power these subs, you know, can take. So should be really interesting. Well, thanks for watching, man. Till next time.